E Tū Whānau is something that my ancestors have always practiced. It's an ancient thinking, but only recently has become more deliberate.
All of the values that E Tū Whānau have is what I've grown up with, and it was about me wanting to find a way to connect with whānau here, to teach them the same things that I was taught.
Coming into a new country, it's really hard, not the same language, not the same culture, but there is the same values, and so that's when they feel like more, okay, I do kind of have a sense of belonging.
E Tū Whānau is part of this place here. Why I say that is because E Tū Whānau has embedded in it kaupapa Māori values that are still present in 2019 going forward. It conjures up words like respect, self-evaluation, just feeling good, whānau obviously, and just sharing good things. And when you share good things, you can share bad things as well.
The thing is, my parents, they told me this is what you need to do, this is what you need to do, but they didn't do it. You know, and I didn't realise that till now, till I met E Tū Whānau. And then it made me realise what, shit, our kids are doing what we're doing. So that's when I thought, fuck, we need to change something here. So I just stuck to those E Tū Whānau values, and that was me. I was away.
We're really fortunate and lucky to have the support from E Tū Whānau. They're really outcomes focused and strengths based, and they're all about, te manakaha o te whānau, and we too are like that. And a lot of our other contracts actually focus a lot on the crisis, very reactive contracts where we need to fix this and sort this, get them food in there, and that's very important. But this one allows whānau to achieve their dreams and aspirations. It's an aspirational kaupapa. For example, some of the siblings that used to be on the streets that are now in prison or going through youth justice and things like that, we've actually got their siblings, and they are starting to take a different course. That's what I think E Tū Whānau is really awesome for. They give us the flexibility to address the needs of our community in our own way.
What E Tū Whānau is promoting is a shift of power and giving the power back to the community or the family. And there are agencies that don't want to make that shift, and they see themselves as the experts in other people's lives.
In communities who want to create the change, who have a really strong sense of whakapunatanga, that is that they want their children's children to flourish. And I think that's absolutely at the heart of E Tū Whānau.
Government writes the laws, government produces the budget, government can resource. The key is to work in genuine partnership.
E Tū Whānau is a vehicle, I think, that demonstrates to every other government agency how positive changes can be made.
One of these kids commented, hey auntie, it's like the sun shining through now, through all the dark. And I'm like, yes, you've got it, yes, you're right. Just knowing that they're going to survive. They're not going to end up in jail their whole lives. They know right from wrong. It's just carrying on their awhi, to support them to carry on doing all this great stuff that they're doing. The future's going to be bright as for them.